Currently stuck joining in session in progress to proshadow. It is 11. It is 11:29. I have not no-showed anything. He is sitting in main menu, proshadow. Main menu. Every time I join, it says joining session in progress. I'm pretty sure I'm actually getting flooded by him, to be honest. I joined his room and he ended the lobby really quick. My PS3 is running pretty slow. Actually, my Skype just went offline. I don't know if that's... Let me see. I'll try reloading the forums. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he flooded me, to be honest, as soon as I joined his room. So this isn't loading. Google is not loading. And you can see the emblems are all not loading. So yeah. Pretty sure he just flooded me before the match even started. I don't know what just happened. Oh. I'm going to change my IP now.